Hello guys, and welcome to another beautiful video again. And in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create a 3D mockup for your ebook or for your book. Let's say you are an author or you are a writer and you're thinking of creating a picture that shows how your book will look like online. You want to create that. I'm going to be showing you how that works in this video. My name is Our G-Man and I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you how to earn online. So if this is your first time to be watching this, I need you to like this video. I need you to subscribe to this video so you can get more content, and hit the notification button, the notification bell, so that when I create more videos you can be notified when I put new videos. Alright, so quickly, before I show you how to create a 3D mockup for your ebook cover, I need you to see what a mockup looks like. Now this is what a mockup looks like. It shows you how your ebook looks like. Okay, it gives people a feel of what it looks like online. So this is exactly what an ebook cover looks like. This is what an ebook 3D mockup for an ebook looks like. Okay, so let's quickly go to the process of how a 3D mockup for your book cover should be done. So let me show you the process quickly. Now the process for your 3D mockup for your book cover is just three processes. The first thing you have to do is to design your book cover. The second thing you have to do is to design your 3D mockup using mockup sites. Now there are websites, different websites where you can actually do your 3D mockup for your book. Now the third thing to do is to download your mockup. So let's go to the first one. The first one is to design your book cover. Now if you don't know how to design a book cover, I am going to drop a link below the description of this video so you can find and watch how to create a 3D a book cover. Okay, now that's the first thing. The second one is to design your 3D mockup. All right, there are different mockup sites where you can make your mockup for your book cover, and I'm going to be using just one of those sites in this video. Okay, so quickly, before I go into showing you how this is done, I need you to please kindly like this video, kindly subscribe to this video. Just as I said before, when you subscribe, when you like this video, it shows that you are getting value from this video, and it actually makes me to smile. It gives me the confidence to create more videos for you. So quickly, I'm going to be jumping into my smartphone screen to show you the exact process of how I create 3D mockups for book covers. Okay, I'll see you in my next screen. All right, welcome back. Remember I told you that we can create our mockup, and for us to create our mockup, what we need to do is to use a mockup design site. Okay, so quickly, I'm going to be showing you exactly how it's going to be done. So for this right now, you go to your Google Chrome, you search. In your search button, you're going to type DIY covers.com. Nope, DIYcovers.com. Okay, not a mistake. So let me retype it again. DIY book covers. Yes, bookcovers.com. DIYbookcovers.com. Then you search for that. Yes, it's going to take us to the site where we can design our cover mockup. So you click on book design. Not this. If you're coming here for the first time, this is what you're going to be seeing. If you're coming to this site for the first time, so you're going to close this and hit book design. You're going to click this book design. It's going to pop up, give you a pop-up here. So close this again. No, not this. Not this. Okay, so you click on book design and hit. Now it's telling us it's giving us the offers for us to do a lot of stuff. If you're coming in for the first time, this is what you're going to encounter. So for me, I'm clicking mockups. Alright, when you click book covers, the next thing, when you see a pop-up, the next thing you're going to click is 3D mockups. Okay, so this is where we're going to design our mockup. So the first step you're going to do is to pick the type of mockup you want, how you want your mockup to look. This is it here. You're seeing the pictures. You can see the first one, you can see the second one. So I don't want to go down. You can see different mockups. If you want your mockups to look like something like a mockup or a picture of a phone, you can even pick any one you want. So for us right now, we are going to pick this one, the second one. Okay, this is for single. If you want it to be like a composite, like in groups, you can pick composites. You can see them, different version of composites. Okay, you can see the one with the phone, the one with the smartphone, the one with different things. Okay, with tab. All right, so for me, I'm going to pick the simple one, which is the single. I'm going to pick just the second one from the single. Okay, so I pick the second one and I click next. Click the second one and I click next. So you're going to browse. All right, you can see browse on your screen. You're going to hit browse. It will take us to where we have saved our cover, our book cover picture. Okay, now it's taking me to my gallery, so I'm going to check for where I saved my book cover. Now please note that we have already designed our cover. Okay, I'm assuming that we have designed our cover. So if you haven't designed your cover now, check the description of this video. I'm going to drop a description for a link for how you can design a book cover. All right, so let's quickly search for our book cover. Now we're picking this one that says generating cash from selling. Okay, so I click it. It's going to pick it. Now you're also going to click upload. If you just click it without clicking upload, it won't upload it. So I click browse, I pick the picture, then I click upload. Okay, right, we are waiting for it to upload. All right, our picture has uploaded. So what do we do next? The next thing we're going to do is to click next. All right, you can see our book cover is already uploaded. So if you want to download it as a PNG file, it's possible. If you want to download it as a JPEG file, it's very, very possible. So for me, I want to do it as a JPEG file, so I click on JPEG. Now once I click this mark that says good, you can see it's already downloading. Once I click it, it downloads. Okay, so let me open our 3D book mockup, so you can see what the mockup we just did looks like. So I click on open. Yay! You can see this is what a mockup looks like. Very simple to make, very easy to make, very straightforward. Now if you want to see this mockup, you go to your gallery in your smartphone or your computer. You check in your download files. You're going to find this file. Okay, so this is exactly how to create your mockup. If you found value in this video, if you found this video very, very interesting, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when I make another video, you can see it very quick, very fast. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like I said, I'm going to drop a link for how to create a book cover in the description, so please quickly check it. You can share this video. If you have questions for me, if you have anything you want to ask me about how this is done, or maybe about making money online, please comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you.